Hi guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup with an attitude called the Rude Awakening. Let's see. I'll sort of show you. This is after Pulp Fiction, so I'll sort of show you the front of it because it's kind of got a lady on the front. Okay, so this right here is the beautiful palette. This is one of the ones that I have not ever done. I have to show you guys something. I ended up going through, because I got up really early this morning, and I went with my light and went through every one of the ones that I thought I hadn't done, and guys, this is it. This is the only ones that I have not done. So I believe it's 9 or 10 at the most. I couldn't believe it. So I have 1 Nomad, 2 Melt, 1 Natasha Denona, 1 Moira, 2 Moiras, and a ColourPop. And really basically that's it. Everything else, I went through everything and found just everything that I could. And so I talked to Kathy this morning. Hold on, let me put that down. And it looks like she's going to look at she's coming up either tomorrow or Monday. She's either going to do the Natasha Denona, which I kind of expected, or maybe the Nomad. But gosh, out of all those, I only had like 9. And this is one of them. This is a Rude Awakening by Makeup with an Attitude, which is Rude Cosmetics, which I think this is absolutely beautiful. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. Beautiful palette. Not my colors, but I decided since this was the only one that was in here, I'd go ahead and I would do it. Now, I am going to go ahead and hopefully, if Kathy is here Monday, I may have to put off If It Makes You Happy until next Friday. I'll try not to do that, but maybe I can do it tomorrow if Kath doesn't come up tomorrow, but we will see. So this does not, as far as I know, no, it does not have the names of the colors, so I'm just gonna go in and see what happens. I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite brushes, which I really can't believe it is the Unearthly Cosmetic one, which you know how I feel about that one, the Charmer one, which is not my favorite one in the entire universe. However, the I'm Not Normal one, I love that one. I'm going to do that one again pretty soon. Okay, I'm going to go into it's kind of a yellowish tan color, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover my whole lid. I used a different primer. I did in the order that I have gotten. Man, I am speaking great English. The order that I made, I'm not sure if I put this one in yet or not. I'm ordering a primer from OS One Size. Apparently there's this one that's in there that's a really good primer, and I'm going to go ahead and order that one. I don't think I've done that one yet, but I have not ordered any primers at all, and it seems like I'm kind of having problems with every single one of the primers that I have. So, except for maybe the MAC Painterly paint pot. I don't know, even that one seems to be causing me problems. But the one size, I can't remember which one it's called, but that's the one that they have two different ones, but I'm gonna go ahead and one of them's in a squeezy pump. That's the one I think I'm getting, and the other one is kind of in one of those the squeeze out type things. So that's probably what I'm not getting. Anyway, so I hope you guys are having a fantabulous weekend. I've got little animals. I've got my cat, which is right here beside me. He seems to think that he needs to be right beside me today. He hasn't been in here for weeks, and all of a sudden today he comes hauling butt in here and decides that, well, he needs to be here. Okay, I am going to go into well, okay, there is a, you know how great I am at colors, guys. There's a one in here that looks to be either yellow or green, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with the same brush, only I cleaned it off. I haven't worked with Rude Cosmetics in a very long time, so I can't quite, I'm going to move this forward. Sorry, guys. I haven't quite remembered just exactly how they are. I know I have a lot of Rude Cosmetics. Now, there is one that is in, it's an unopened one that's in the giveaway as well. I haven't decided what all is going to be in there. I know I lost a subscriber yesterday, which is kind of a bummer. But, I mean, we'll get there. So now we have, at least last time I checked, we have 9 subscribers before we get to the 600 point. So, we'll get there. And once we get there, then we'll be doing the giveaway, which we do have some nice brushes. We've got a nice palette, and we've got some other things that I'm going to throw in there. But it's, like I said, not until we get to the 1,000 that one is going to be should be a pretty good giveaway. But for each of the ones up until then, it's probably just going to be, you know, regular old giveaways. Let me see what, hold on and just let me concentrate for just 1 second. Okay. These are coming out really light. That much I do know. Yeah, I honestly can't remember. It's been so long since I've done any Rudes whatsoever. I do know that they used to be, back when Kathy and I don't know, not when we first started, but like, I don't know, kind of in between, I kind of discovered them, and it was like I just loved the ones, even though I'm not an anime type person, a lot of their stuff is anime oriented. So I don't think she really ever got into anime or into Rude Cosmetics. I did, but she really didn't. She was more into like Dominique Cosmetics, like the one that I was going to give it to her, which I'm so glad that I didn't, because I absolutely love it, the Essentials palette. And she likes Ace Beauté or Beauty. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. Okay, then we have, I'm going to go in with this Miss Glam brush and take, it's a shimmer. You know how I love me some shimmer. And go up here. Have any of you guys ever done a Rude Cosmetics? Have you even heard of Rude Cosmetics? As a matter of fact, is Rude Cosmetics still around? I don't even know if they're still open, if they still exist. I'm gonna have to check that out later on. One thing that I am finding that I'm liking is back during the Sephora sale, I had purchased a Armani blush, just a regular powder blush, and I tell you what, I really super like. It's what I'm wearing today. I really super like them. They're nice. Okay, so we've got that going. Alright. Okay. So, I think to go in the corner, I've been doing a lot of green looks, so I'm going to try and stay away from that. And maybe I'm going to take the Morphe E22, one of my favorites. See if that pokey thing is still on there. And we're going to go into, this is a reddish type shade. Whoa, holy moly. That is pigmented. Yeah, I'm not enjoying how this one's going on here. So, let me, yeah, this is much better. Oh, dang it. Oh my gosh. I did remember to curl my eyelashes today, but what is this, 4 days in a row now that I have forgotten to bring my mascara? I think I'm going to use a different one today. I'm using a different one every day so far, so might as well bring a different one today. I don't know if y'all can hear Spaz, but he's either licking the chair or licking his feet. He's licking something. Spazzy, what are you doing? What are you doing, Spaz? Well, something turned the computer on. It was not me. I don't know, this is it's like it's sticky. I'm using Shadow Insurance by Too Faced today. And, I don't know, it's not working out all that great. This is what I was talking about. I know that I have to have another type of primer. I've got to try something different. I thought about trying a Dior. I know they have a different primer. And since Dior is one of my favorite brands. Alright. Then I think they've got some really pretty shimmers in here. And since y'all know I love shimmers, I'm going to try this one right here. This is I don't know, we'll see if it works. If not, I'll have to... Whoa, okay. Well, this one is definitely working out. Okay. I'll have to, let me put a little bit more on here. Okay, let me try this again. You know, I can't even remember when I actually bought this palette. It had to have been a very long time ago, but it was sealed up. And I guess when they're sealed up, it tends to save the shadows or keep them, you know, for a longer period of time. I think I want to try, I'll lay this over here. The Victoria Beckham, my favorite one of hers is the cherry. And that is not this side. Oh dear. Okay. Sorry, Spaz. Oh, there we go. Sorry, guy. Sorry. You're gonna have to move over just a little bit more. She, when you buy her liners, she sends one, or if you ask for one, she will send you a specific kind of one that works on her shadows. But I always put them in the wrong place. Okay, let me... Oh shoot, I forgot again. Okay, it's going to take me just a second. My eyes are so red. Okay, hold on just 1 second. Okay, and now for the inner corner of the eye, this is going to be like the simplest one I've done actually this week, I think. Okay, and I do want to do one other thing. And I think it's going to be with this pink one right here. I can't tell if this is a matte or... I think it's a matte. Yeah. I have such a huge mess going on right here, right now, that I can't really tell anything that I'm doing at the moment. Okay, I will be right back. I'm going to put my mascara on and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, sorry guys, I know this is a fast look for today, but I did wanted to get something done. I'm waiting for everybody to get home from Bob from the hangar, Jake to wake up, John to get done with what he's getting done, and yeah, I got a big honking mess to clean up here. Let me put this down. And this over here, you just, ooh, it's a mess. Okay, and this is what I've got for today. I do actually like the cherry, which is, like I said, is my favorite one of Victoria Beckham's. It's the one that's on the bottom. Anyway, yeah, that's all I've got to say, except for that I was super excited about only having those few that hadn't been done yet, and that includes the little bitty ones, so I wasn't actually doing too bad. So wherever you are, I hope you are well. Take care, have some fun, and stay safe. Watch your surroundings, you guys know. And I will see you on the next video, and hopefully Kathy will be with me. So I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.